Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to enable a voice chat in Roblox. First of all, you have to tap on three dot. Now go to in settings. Now go to in privacy. Once you're in the privacy, now you have to go to this options microphone and camera input. So to enable voice chat, you have to enable the first permission, which is microphone, by tapping on the toggle button next to it. So basically you are allowing the Roblox to use your microphone to chat with your voice. So once you enable this permission, you can open any game that supports microphone as a camera to chat with your voice. Fine. So the green dot indicates that the Roblox is using your camera, and the red dot indicates that Roblox is using your audio. Now open any game that supports microphone as a communication. So let's one of the game that supports is Please Donate. So let's open it. Now once you're in the game, you have to tap on this mic icon on the avatar side. Tap on it and you will see the variation in the mic, so when you speak, and you can see the variation in the mic as well. So hope you like it. That's how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.